Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning, teacher. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
We are fine, thank you.
Okay, before we begin our lesson, let's sing a song, hello song, okay?
Okay.
Let's sing.
Hello, hello, how are you today? Hello, hello, how are you today?
Let's sing our ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Let's sing our 1, 2, 3s.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, jump. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jump.
Let's plan, you and me. Hello, hello, how are you today?
Hello, hello, how are you today?
I'm happy, I'm great, I'm happy to see you.
Hello.
Hello.
Today, our theme is Happy Birthday. Repeat, please.
Happy birthday.
Okay, now let's learn new words. Cake,
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 balloon,
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 hat,
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 candle,
candle.
candle. Now let's play a game. Let's play what's missing, okay? Now close your eyes, close your eyes. Close, 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 close. What's missing? Hat. Hat. Good job. Now close your eyes once more. What's missing?
Balloon.
Yes, quite right. Once more. Close your eyes. What's missing?
Cake.
Good job. Children, do you remember numbers?
Yes.
Okay, let's revise. What number is it?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, yes. And please, answer to my question. How old are you? How old are you? I am 7, for example. I am 6, yes? Okay. Ibrahim, how old are you? I am.
I am 1.
How old are you?
I am 6.
6, okay. How old are you? I am.
6.
Okay, good job. How old are you? Well done, good job. How old are you? Let's play pass the envelope game, okay?
Okay.
Let's start. Pass, 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 pass. Okay, envelope and open and say, what number is it? It's
1.
five.
5.
5. Good job. Well done. Please, now continue. Stop. Okay. Open the envelope. Okay. Open, open. Okay, what number is it? Yes, quite right. I'll give you a star for good answer. Please, pass. Okay. Pass. Okay, now. Pass. Okay, open. Open. Please. It's 7. Good one. Well done. Okay, now. Good job. Please, once more. Pass. Pass, 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 pass. Okay, okay.
Одну же минуту.
Okay, open. What color is it? It's blue. Yes, quite right. Good job.